Oh, won't you pardon me, boy? Is this the Chattanooga choo-choo? Track 29. I gotta be there in time. I can afford to board the Chattanooga choo-choo. Satin and lace, I gotta be a place. We'll reach that midline station by the 3:45. Read your magazine and then you're in Baltimore. Dinner in the diner, nothing could be finer than to have my ham and eggs in Carolina. When you hear that whistle blowing in for a tune, then you know the Tennessee ain't very far. Hustle up a blowin', gotta keep 'em mowin'. Hot Chattanooga, there you are, boy. There's gonna be a certain party at the station. Woo-hoo-hoo. I didn't blow my nose.